Hey everybody, I have got 2 more tips for you on how you can tweak those subject lines to get a better open rate of both your email and email marketing. And the first one is to say something unique. But in order to do that, first you have to know your audience, and second, you need to know your competition. Know what makes you unique from your competition. And I'll give you a great example. I work with a client who's a mortgage company, and they literally have over 100 different mortgage products they can offer a customer. A bank, on the other hand, might have a handful that have been approved by that bank, right? So they're very limited, and if you don't pigeonhole right into one of their products, you're not going to get the loan. So here's a subject line that might work great for them when they're talking about their different loan products. Over 100 different mortgage products. We'll find the one that's perfect for you. Might be a tad bit wordy, just came up with that off the top of my head, but it would work. It would get people interested, especially if they're looking for a mortgage and they've been turned down, right? Another thing that you can do to increase your open rate is to say something humorous. People always like to smile. And so when you give them something, give them a joke, or you give them something humorous in their subject line, that will get them to open the email to kind of find out the punchline or the rest of the story, right? So let's say you're a burrito company. Your email's going out to all your fans, right? Your email's going out to all those people who love your business, love your burritos. And you put in your subject line something that I think would make somebody smile, because it's the beginning of baseball season and all of that. You put in something that says, hey, real baseball fans eat burritos. And maybe when they open that email, there's going to be a reward for them, a free soda or something like that if you go show your ticket stub, or maybe some other special offer to tie into the baseball season. So there are 2 more great tips on what you can do to tweak your subject line to get a better open rate. The first one is to be unique, know your customers, and also know your competition so that you can make a unique statement in your subject line. And then also the final one is to be humorous. Tell a joke, say something that's going to make someone smile in your subject line.